All right. So, good evening, ma'am. Ma'am, may konjel fadana tabro kumai toge tang kanan biro. So I hope lang tara money na di khalle. All right. So for today um, call I will share in Hindi and English bilingual. Okay. So, is there any Manipuri speaker? Then, if you guys want have any questions or any doubt, just let me know. I will study. I will check. All right. So I will check. So yeah. This today, and I already decided to share with you guys to come the live stream every single Monday. Sorry, every single Sunday. हर संडे को ना मैं लाइव आके जो आने वाला वीक का which means आज 22 है राइट सो अपकमिंग अपकमिंग 23 से लेके 27 तक इसका क्या हो सकता है इवन मोर मोर फ्यूचर में क्या हो सकता है इट्स फॉर प्रिडिक्शंस ऐसा नहीं है कि आएगा आएगा ऐसा नहीं फॉर ए प्रिडिक्शन ऐसे हो सकता है overview. Okay, I'm gonna give you the overview of the market. So after giving the overview, हम लोग live trade करते हैं. We do the live trade right through the Zoom, but through Zoom. Uh, so even in Zoom also, those people who are associate with me, they they will get the access to attend the every single day from Monday to Friday जो live sessions होता है. But for the YouTubers, I'm planning to share at least 1 or 2 times in a week live thread में live आके I will analyze the market on the spot. I will make entries on the spot and all if we get the opportunity. At a time, कुछ ऐसे मिला या फिर कुछ सीखने के लिए I will share. Alright, I will share my ideas too. Okay, तो उसके अभी एनालाइज स्टार्ट करते हैं. सो सारे ये पुराना कुछ चीजें मैं हटा देता हूँ. ओके, आई विल रिमूव सम. Okay, done. I can remove at the same time at a single click, but I don't want to do that. मुझे पूरा हटाना नहीं है. ओके सी सबसे पहले क्या है क्या नहीं है मार्केट एनालाइज करेंगे. आई विल शेयर अबाउट द gold, GBP USD, okay, and German 30, 40 even currency. If you guys want to analyze me, um, want to analyze in the currency pairs, I can analyze. Okay, तो उसका कॉन्सेप्ट है. That's जो भी मैं यहाँ पर शेयर करने वाला हूँ. It's not कि वहीं पर आपको एंट्री करना है, ऐसा नहीं है. But in lower time frame, right now मैं सारे जो भी एनालाइज होगा आई विल एनालाइज इन द हायर टाइम फ्रेम फॉर द मार्केट डायरेक्शंस ओवरव्यू देखना है. एंड इफ वहीं पर जो मैं बताऊंगा वहां पर आ गया मार्केट, तो लोअर टाइम फ्रेम में जाके कंफर्मेशंस लेके एंट्री कर सकते हो. ओके ऐसा नहीं है कि हर बार ऐसे पहुंच गया तो फिर एंट्री ले सकते हैं, ऐसा नहीं. फॉर हायर टाइम फ्रेम we can take confirmations from the higher time frame. We have to take the confirmation from higher time frame. Higher time frame में confirmations लेने के बाद आइडेंटिफाई जो डायरेक्शंस है ना हायर टाइम फ्रेम में कंफर्मेशन मींस डायरेक्शंस पता होने के बाद वहां पर क्या करना है. दूसरा लोअर टाइम फ्रेम में आकर आके उसको एनालाइज करके एंट्री करने का है. ठीक है. ऑलराइट. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. So let me start with the calendar. Okay, for this week, Monday, tomorrow. Tomorrow, like we have FOMC Sunday 2:30. Okay, सुबह में तो कोई वो नहीं है. FOMC है. And then जो येलो ऑरेंज रेड ये होता है ना हाई इम्पैक्ट लो इम्पैक्ट मीडियम इम्पैक्ट ऐसे होता है. ओके. And for Tuesday, this one, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So basically, I prefer to watch the news calendar in the forexfactory.com. So for you guys, I will take a screenshot and we'll share it in the in our group. Okay. जो पब्लिक वाला ग्रुप है ना वहां पर मैं शेयर कर दूंगा और प्राइवेट वाला ग्रुप. ठीक है. I will check the screenshot. जो भी मैं अभी एनालाइज करने जा रहा हूँ उसका भी सारे स्क्रीनशॉट मैं आप लोगों को दे दूंगा. ओके. ऑलराइट. सो लेट्स मूव टू द DXY. सबसे पहले हम DXY का देखते हैं बिकॉज फॉर मी आई प्रीफर USD पेयर्स ओनली. मुझे ट्रेड करना है तो फिर USD पेयर्स में करना है. सो इफ यू नो समहाउ कि DXY में कैसे आने वाला है. इफ DXY ऊपर आने वाला है या फिर DXY नीचे आने वाला है तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग ना उसके कोरिलेट करेंसी कोरिलेशंस उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपको कहीं ना कहीं डिफाइन कर सकते हैं. कहीं ना कहीं आपको यू विल अंडरस्टैंड द मार्केट डायरेक्शंस. ओके यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. ऑलराइट. सो So DXY. So सबसे पहले हम key level like for me like I will identify the key level for a higher time frame. उतना वो भी नहीं जाना है because उतना बड़ा भी नहीं जाना है क्योंकि हमें एक हफ्ते के लिए देखने ऐसे पोजीशन ट्रेड लॉन्ग ट्रेड नहीं करना है. राइट. For now I will check something. I want to check this one. It's been long time I didn't come up. Okay. कोई ऐसे ग्रुप में जो अपना चैनल था टेलीग्राम चैनल एंड देन यूट्यूब को उतना एक्टिव नहीं रहा मैंने, बहुत टाइम हो गया, बट नाउ आई डिसाइडेड टू कम अप, सो अप साथ करने के लिए. So yeah, because I'm trying to identify the key level, okay, key level, higher time frame पर. So for this week, so यहाँ पर ये ऊपर जा रहा था और नीचे आ गया है. उसका लाइक नीचे आ गया मतलब, सी, उसका जो मार्केट ट्रेंडिंग है ना, जो भी मेरा एनालाइज है ना, वट एवर आई डू एनालाइज, लाइक आई जस्ट ट्राई टू सिंप्लीफाई. Okay, so lot of people ask me like, are you using which strategy or which concept are you using right now and all, but basically I'm using price actions, to be honest. um, I know ICT concept, I know SMC, मैंने अलग अलग उसमें मेंटोर से सीखा है, but but finally I discover myself कि मेरा खुद का कॉन्सेप्ट, खुद का स्ट्रेटेजी अब मैंने क्रिएट किया है. कॉम्बिनेशंस, पूरा कॉम्बिनेशंस करके प्राइस एक्शन के साथ सारे वे कंबाइन करके ना मैंने खुद का स्ट्रेटेजी क्रिएट किया है. तो इसके अकॉर्डिंग मैं ट्रेड करता हूँ. सो आई कॉल इट टाइप फॉर्मेशन स्ट्रेटेजी, नॉट नॉट अ नॉट ICT concept, not SMC concept, not Wyckoff concept, not alone wave theory concept. Okay, टाइप फॉर्मेशन कॉन्सेप्ट मेरा खुद का वो किया है. ओके, सो सिंपल सा है, सिंपल सा फंडा है. सो इस मेरा कॉन्सेप्ट में ये है कि मैं सिंप्लीफाई करता हूँ. ये ऊपर आ रहा था, ये नीचे आया, राइट. नीचे कैसे पता चला, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस दिस एक्शन ट्रेंड. ओके, लो हाई ऐसे आ रहा है ना, लो 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 हाई हाई. सो अभी इसके अकॉर्डिंग यहाँ पर है, यहाँ पर की लेवल स्ट्रॉन्ग की लेवल है यहाँ पर फॉरवर्ड. ऑलराइट, सो लेट्स फोकस हियर. इसमें क्या है ना, ये आ गया हाई लो हाई. इसमें भी चेंजेस आया, क्या आया, ये इंड्यूस हो गया, आया. सो आई विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर, है ना. हर चीज का ना वो मार्किंग करना जरूरी है, नहीं तो भूल जाता है. I will forget. Nobody can remember everything, right? सब भूल जाता है ना. So at least मार्किंग करके रखा तो फिर आई विल अंडरस्टैंड कि हाँ ये यहाँ पर ये हुआ है. की जगह. सो लो. ओके, Good evening. Um, in this case, प्राइस और भी नीचे तो आ सकता है, but price might come to the downside, downward में और आ सकता है, but यहाँ पर आएगा अब जरूर, but for as of now, I would say as of now, it's a high chances. As of now, it's a high chances if the price break this red line, red action trend. ये एक्शन ट्रेंड ना ये ब्रेक हो गया तो फिर कह सकता हूँ, बट एज ऑफ नाउ इट्स काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग या ऑलराइट equilibrium. So in this case, price might move from here to here. Okay, थोड़ा यहाँ पर ये ऊपर आ सकता है. ओके, ये ड्रॉप आने आएगा ना, इसका मैं देखता हूँ कि क्या हो सकता है. आई विल चेक. इसमें भी ड्रॉप आने का, कहाँ से ड्रॉप होगा. Let's check this one. It's 4. ठीक है. Okay. So from here, यहाँ से थोड़ा छोटा सा price might come up here, down here, retracement, and move up for this week. Let's see how the price react. But this is not the final analysis. After this, when the price reach here, we need to take confirmation in the lower time frame. Okay. So अब देखते हैं GBP USD. कोरिलेशंस होता है. सपोज देखो यहाँ पर, if the price came down if the price came up and the peers with USD मतलब GBP USD उसका भी कुछ डिफरेंट होगा, मतलब सेम होगा। ओके, सेम होगा। ये ऊपर आ रहा है और नीचे, उसका भी ये ऊपर आके नीचे ऐसे होगा। एंड देन द यूएसडी, यहाँ पर मैंने ऐड नहीं किया है, यूएसडी वाई, लेट्स से, या उसका भी डिफरेंट होगा। तो समथिंग कोरिलेट होता है, बट दिस डे कहीं ना कहीं गोल फॉलो करते हैं। कई बार DXY गोल फॉलो करता था, अभी उतना नहीं करते। ओके, सो या एनीवे, if you guys want me to analyze some peers that you guys want to know, just let me know in the comment. I will analyze. अभी मैं गोल का एनालाइज कर रहा हूँ। ओके, see, for a goal, like, um, it's all-time high right now here, all-time high 3500.87 में था। तो इसमें वीकली में उतना जाने का जरूरत भी नहीं है। ओके, वीकली में उतना जाने का जरूरत नहीं है। एंड देन ब्रेक दिस लेवल, डोमिनेट करके रिट्रेस आया, मेरी पुश अप और ब्रेक करके नीचे और आ सकता है। गोल में कोई पर्सनली मैं बताऊंगा ना, तो आई सजेस्ट कि पूरा लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए करो गोल में। So for safety side, I will use the action trend in this case for a goal. Action trend. Action trend and the trend line is totally different. Okay, trend line and action trend is different. I'm drawing, marking this action trend with the manually. Okay, and even if you guys use this one, Fibonacci, see, this is kind of the action trend level. Okay, तो यहाँ से पता चल जाता है कितना कैसे किस लेवल में कैसे क्या है। एंड देन बहुत सारे चीजें हैं मार्केट में ऐसे देखो। सो दिस इज द कॉन्सेप्ट, बट आई यूज्ड टू मार्क मैन्युअली। ओके, BMS है, ये है, and then it's a retracement move, right? So it's a high, low, high, low, high, low. What you expect in the next move? Simple. I'm expecting for a buy because this one is the retracement phase, right? तो but उसका retracement कितना हो गया, क्या हो गया, वो देखता है फिबोनाची कहाँ तक retracement हो सकता है। So retracement फिबोनाची के अकॉर्डिंग रिट्रेस यहाँ तक हो सकता है जो ऑप्टिमम ट्रेड एंट्री एरिया 62% से लेके 79% तक, राइट। ऑप्टिमम ट्रेड एंट्री इसकी लेवल, तो उसको हटा देते हैं। एंड देन उसका इक्विलिब्रियम एरिया, या सो इसका इक्विलिब्रियम एरिया यहाँ पर ऑलरेडी हिट हो चुका है, OTE इक्विलिब्रियम एरिया, राइट। इक्विलिब्रियम एरिया में ऑलरेडी हिट हो चुका है। एंड देन द उसका मार्क करते हैं कुछ आया दो। मार्किंग करना बहुत जरूरी है, उसमें पता चल जाता है कि मार्केट का कैसे कहाँ पर क्या है। यहाँ से COT फॉर्म होके चला गया था ऊपर, ओके, एंड देन मार्केट फेल हुआ यहाँ पर। देन दिस विल बी द एक्सट्रीम, people call it demand or supply या फिर order block and all. सो ऑलरेडी ये वाला इम्बैलेंस भी फिल हुआ है, बट द थिंग इज कि यहाँ पर हाई, तो इसका भी BMS यहाँ पर आया है। मतलब यहाँ तक है यहाँ पर भी 50, राइट। बट लेट्स सी सम कुछ नीचे में जाके भी देखते हैं। यहाँ पर देखने के बाद यहाँ पर भी कुछ 1 आवर का बॉक्स है। I will consider for 4 hour, 1 hour। यहाँ से ब्रेक देख के नीचे आया, रख दिया, ओके। From here market get exhaust, USD JPY, okay. I will. So why choose something? Why choose something like I over trusted fund, like because I know the owner and then he's my friend. Okay. I already have the experience with the multiple pro firms, and I'm using different pro firms. Basically, man, I used to prefer to do in my self account, not the pro firm. Yes, before 2022, I used pro firms, and then after the incident happened for my forex fund, so I lost more than 5 account. Okay, that's why I didn't use pro firm. I didn't prefer, and I didn't believe any other pro firms. But this IC Global, why I choose, because I know personally and whatever anything happen related with the technical, related with any payout or something, I can directly call up. I can directly contact with them. I know personally, so that's why I'm using. And mentally mentally payout में प्रॉब्लम होना नहीं चाहिए, but उसका I don't have any fears or any doubt for the payout. If you guys have any payout issue, just let me know. Within 24 hours, I will approve. I will ask them to help you guys. I know personally, that's why. ꯇꯥꯡꯕ ꯍꯣꯡꯕꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯦꯀꯣ. It's nothing. If you buy the pro funds with the $30 and if you buy the pro funds with $100, that $30 after giving a lot of efforts and then get the payout, then you know definitely there will be some frustrations and all. But that's why I prefer that. Maybe sometimes, but I think if you compare, so pro firm for pro firm, this one, uh, if you check a phase one and phase two, it's only $50. Yeah, in others, in some other firms, you might get in the $30 or $32 big, but in here you will get a lot of opportunity. You will get the 6 months affiliate opportunity. You will get free educations. If you buy the funded pro firm account with the $30, did you get the educations? No. But in here, you will get the chance to attend the sessions and all classes and all. All right. This is the difference by buying a single pro firm. And you can start the affiliate marketing also from here. All right, there's a lot of different. So yeah, anyway, let's focus here. So we have imbalance here, right? We have imbalance here. Definitely price will come to balance out, balance this price level. Four. See the here now in gold, what I expecting is like a price might move uh can here to fill up this imbalance price and forming a type formations and push up, making another BMS, and then for return to the extreme demand area and then pump up. Okay, this is what I expect. But maybe if the price fail here, then they will target for this key level, this gray one, this ED. But as of now, I will prefer this one, buy. Okay, for this upcoming week, I will prefer this one. So which means price will came down here, approximately around here, and yeah. All right. This is what I expect. as of now. This is for GBP USD, one of my favorite peers, currency peers. Okay. These three trades are my setup for last week. There's three trades. Let's see for the upcoming. For this stuff. Is the extreme supply, and it already hit the extreme supply level, and then the action trend action, where is the action? um okay, yep. So here we go, it's uptrend, right? In the daily. All right, so from here, low, it's already changed the trend up to here. So it's a high chances to target something low. Still here. Okay. No, for Saturday and for the Sunday class to we got Manipuri. For Manipuri, I will conduct the sessions advanced ki right? But yeah, definitely maybe यहाँ से reverse हो सकता है if the price forming a type formations, then here when it reach here in the lower time frame it will form the type formations, okay, and then uh, high chances to push up, but um, but the thing is it's kind of retracement phase and we have the liquidity here also. See, यहाँ पर high low high, this is the low, right, kind of low. Four hour action trend. 4 hour action trend. Here's the action. Let me identify the proper action trend. Action trend here, then another here. But so there's two conditions. It high chances. This one is the high chances. The high chances. To fill this liquidity, but according to the actions, it's already broke the action trend. So maybe, might be, somehow break here and drop till here. But it's a low chances. Low chances. So I will prefer this one. Okay, I will prefer this up one. Okay, I need to understand. All right. So let's start understanding USD JPY. Uh, okay. Let's understand this one, and then I will share some other also USD JPY. Okay. Cha-cha. This was on Jan Jan 2025 January. So if I hold these, I didn't hold, but I don't prefer to do trade for long positions or swing trade and all. I love to do trade in scalping and then day trade. Okay, I love day trading. So USD JPY. Okay, so let's find out the key level. Is the high key level and then high, but we don't need this one because it's too far. It's too far. And then this one, we have this key level already take out, and then this one, this is almost take out. I was already take out. This is the range. This is the market range that we have. Um, let's move to the H4. For the H4 in action trend, let's find out the action trend. So see why I'm using this action trend to understand the market direction easily. This is not the trend. It's not changing the trend till now. Yeah, so it's start changing the trend. Already started, right? This is another measure here. Okay, forward high. So I will consider this to key to level. From here, so ignore this one. Because no need to. Um, so we break here. Kind of range, right? Fail to break this low, then breaking upward directions. 3, 4. Oops. Break according to this high, low, high, right? And this one. Okay. So forward, 2 over, 1 over. It's an expansion. Market price already moved the expansion formations. Um, break PMS. So after PMS, it's already returned here. Okay, so it's which means like it's a third wave, third wave, but third wave. Probably it's a high chances to form the continuations move. It's because it's a third wave में ना ये वाला. It's in the third wave, so it's a high chances to move. So here we have the rejection skill level. It's filling the wick, but if the price didn't break here, we'll come here and push up. I will show you something in the high time frame, lower time frame. Yeah. So probably price would break this trend line. Let's say this trend line should break this trend line. Okay, price should break this trend line. If the price break this trend line and should form a type formation for the short-term sales, but I don't prefer for short-term sales. I prefer the for long-term. Okay, yeah, but definitely I will prefer only for buy movement. Buy movement. I will prefer only buy movement up to here or continuations for to here. This two. BMS here again. I have BMS here. So after forming BMS, there should be a retracement, right? So red one is the high probability, but it's a third wave. So it's a third wave. So kind of like in most of time in third wave, price form the continuations move. That's why. Okay. And next. So you guys didn't choose anything. Let me check some news. Let's check this some related with the AUD peers. Let's all these peers. Let's delete. Let me add the AUR AUD. Delete. It's here. All right. So rejections here key level, and it's an all-time high. Nice one. So high chances to present here forward according to the action. It's up in forward, but price expansion of okay. Retrace expansion to hours. It's coming here to fill this week, right? And then price already form here. It's R1, this R2 already break. And this one here. We have a gap here, right? Extreme one. People call it a fair value gap here, imbalance, right? Imbalance, market imbalance. Here I have H1. Okay. So for me, XAU USD football, I already analyzed. XAU USD football, we already did. Okay, I can't repeat. You can watch later. So for this part, Euro AUD, I would prefer for retracement here. Price, it's a high chances to push down here. High chances to push down. I will mark as a red color. So from here, what you guys have to do, from here, forward with, yeah, it's okay. It's good. Proper. See, there will be some a move consolidations on Monday. Definitely, here are some consolidations. But when the price, like, break the lows, price will form in this way, drop. From here, I will look for again buy, but for this week, I would prefer that this much only. Okay, I would prefer this much only. Um, Euro AUD, and the next, let's there is some London session peers, GBP. We already analyzed the New York USD, right? So I'm focusing on London and Asian also. All right. For this part, it's already in the bull side. Action trend is in the bull. It's already marked here. Here is the range. 4 hour already changed the trend. It was in a downtrend, but price break here, forming continuations move back here. But every single entries or whatever I'm analyzing right now, I wouldn't make entries every single trades. I will wait for the proper setup. If I go at the proper setup, that definitely I will make entries. And those people who buy the funded account, guys, just let me know when I conduct the live sessions. When I conduct the live sessions, we will share, I will share, we will discuss. And then even if we get the opportunity, then definitely we will make entries too. All right. It's just overview. This is not the final call. This is not the final call. So it's forming BMS here, and it's a high chances to forming BMS here again. Then, so यहाँ पर BMS फॉर्म हो गया तो अभी अगले में क्या हो सकता है? It seems like a type 1 formation. Type 1 formation. Here's the MPA. And then we have the CTO. CTO. So it's an imbalance here. So probably price should come back again to balance this out. Something like breaking here, come down again, or here. All right. This is what I saw. This is what I see in the market. GBP, Euro GBP. Sorry. Yeah. Let's analyze some AUD. CUD. Next time, if you guys have any questions, just let me know. Um, it's down. It's down, down, down. Action is down. Here's the low key level. Already take out this liquidity, but the kind of imbalance here. This is nearest action trend. Nearest action trend. Nearest. This is the nearest action. Okay. Nearest action. So like here, break here. This MPA already take out. Score BMS also forming down again here. The extreme level wala here. It's Delhi. Okay, Delhi chart में देखना है. So Delhi, four four building. नीचे आ रहा है, नीचे आ रहा है, नीचे नीचे चेंज किया. इसमें से break change, then stream, fail, stream. यहाँ पे आ गया extreme. Okay. This is kind of like web 1, web 2, web 3 भी आ सकता है. But yeah, let's see. For this part, now shortly यहाँ पर तो आ सकता है ये वाला. But forward, I'm looking for the weeks, ना. तो इसका हाई जो आ रहा है, it was forming BMS here, and price were unable to break this high, right? Yeah, so to break high, ना. तो अभी for 2 hours में भी कंफर्म नहीं है कि ये नीचे आएगा कि आएगा, but chances है. ब्रेक नहीं दिया. Okay, break. So I didn't see any clear picture here. But if you want, then you can prefer this one. यहाँ से कुछ short वाला ले सकते हैं. 6 pips ऐसे कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं. But I don't prefer this one. No, नहीं. But clarity नहीं मिला है. I didn't see any clarity in this picture. But yeah, probably नीचे गिर सकता है. चलो. Any other questions? Any other questions? Just let me know. I will just wrap up this call for today and see you tomorrow. Tomorrow at 12, 12:15, 12:30 Zoom. for live trade. Yeah, this one is a nice one. Yeah, I got it. See, for what 30 minutes, see, you can see it's a totally in the downtrend side, right? Downtrend. You can see it's a downtrend here. Price break this part. We should do trade. We have a lot of options, so we should prefer to do trade in a clear picture only. On a clear picture only. Yeah, another move. Let me remove this one. No need daily forward. Let's analyze it forward. See, here it was in the uptrend, but it's actually it was a continuation, reversals move. High, low, high, then the price break this low, which is BMS, right? This is BMS. Then again, this was the change of trend, then inducement, and then this key level is the MPA key level. Price hit the MPA low. This is the low. Again, have a BMS here. Then the high here, again another high. A break here, manipulations here, but still price drop again. Price drop again. Already fill this gap. Fill this gap. फिल हो गया ना इसका विक फेयर वैल्यू गैप इनबैलेंस वाला प्राइस जो इनबैलेंस हुआ ना हाई लो हाई it's a simple try to make it simple extreme level already hit here for our extreme level. All right, you can see high low high low. I think I feel like already forming the a break here BMS. We have to change trend, so probably price would push down to fill this week. Even in lower time frame, just give let me share something. Even it seems like with one, apa na? One, two, this one is three. What the? So continuations might happen in this case, yeah, but the price would touch 3 times. So if this candlestick, either in the 30 minutes or 1 hour, if this candle close here below here by dominating, close below here, definitely will drop again. And then it's a high chances to move in this way. All right, I will suggest it this way. Uh, uh, next time, next day, we will start analyzing for synthetic also. For today, let's end here. Synthetic trading. Okay, those people who watch this, if you guys want synthetic trading analysis, just let me know in the comment. If you guys want, I will start. Okay. All right then. That's all from my side for today, and thank you very much. Please do subscribe. Okay. I will share all the content related with the trading. I will start uploading in Hindi, English. Okay. All right. Every single Sunday, I will do this live for market watch list, and during the weekday, I will share some live also, some live trade sessions also. Live trade. All right. All right then. Thank you very much, guys. See you.